Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. To all my returning viewers, I really want to appreciate you for every good thing that you have been doing. Thank you for always coming back. God bless you. Today we are going to be talking about, I'm going to be showing us how we can cut trend luxury BuBu with the cow shape. So I will be tracing it out. Front panel of the this luxury BuBu, we are going to be having a pleat in the front of the BuBu. So I'm going to be taking us through, and the first thing we are going to be doing is to first of all have our starting point. You rule it out. Then the measurement we are going to be needing is the neck width and neck depth, the hip line, the hip circumference, and the armhole, okay, and the length of the dress. So the first thing we are going to be doing, we are going to be inserting our hip. We're going to be inserting our neck depth and neck width. So I'm going to be using for the back, I'll be using 3.5 by 1 centimeter. Then for the front, it's going to be a V neck. So we're going to take it from here, and we're going to be measuring depending on how you want the V neck to be open. So I'm going to be having 8 centimeter in that. So what you do, like what we usually do, we just trace. This one is for the back neck. The back panel, we just trace it down this way, okay, like that. Then you take your ruler and join the front leg line together, okay. Okay, make sure that they are together, okay. So this is the front neckline, and this is the back. So when you are cutting out, first of all you cut out the back first, then you open up the fabric and cut the front neck line. So after doing that, you come down to the end of the fabric this way and take 1 centimeter downwards, or 1.5 depend. So I will be taking 1.5 downwards. Then you join it with the help of the ruler, because we know that our shoulder line is not straight, okay. So you join them together. That's where you're going to be inserting your armhole. So the armhole we are going to be using is 18 because it's going to be a gathered arm hole. So I'm going to be putting elastic to give it a gather, to give it a puff at the hand hole. So that is why we are having the 17 lengths. So you join also together to meet the shoulder line. Join it together to meet the shoulder line like this. Then having done that, you now take from your shoulder line, you take your hip to shoulder length. The hip to shoulder length that we are, that is hip shoulder length, that is your the measurement from your shoulder to your hip area. The one we are using for this measurement is 24. So we are going to be working with 24. Okay, 24. Then you join it. You just roll it like this. You join it together. Okay. So from this place now, on this line, the hip line, you insert your hip circumference. So the hip circumference that we are going to be making use of in this tutorial class is we are using, your hip circumference you divide by 4. So having divided it by 4, we have 54. Having divided it by 4, we have 13, which is here. Because we are doing BuBu, so we are going to be inserting extra 3 centimeter. This is the actual hip circumference 13. You add extra 3 or 4 depending how wide you want the BuBu to be. So I'm taking extra 4 centimeter. I'm going to end it at 17. Okay, so I'm going to end it at 17. Now we are going to use this 17 now. We are going to take this 17 all the way down. You measure it all the way down to the length of the dress. Okay, you're going to measure it all the way down to the length of the dress. Then you join them together. Now you come back to the armhole. You measure 5 centimeter inward. You join it together. Then you go back to your hip area and take and measure 8 centimeter the way I'm doing now. Okay, now between this 8 centimeter, between the 8 centimeter at the hip area and 5 centimeter that we took inward at the armhole area, I'm going to trace a curve down to that place to join them together as I'm doing. Okay, then from there we'll begin to curve out our this measured 5 centimeter, you just trace it using a free hand, and you take it down to the 8 centimeter that we measured earlier. I haven't done that. And you open up the front panel after cutting the neckline. Then we'll come back and cut out the plate we are going to be using to join the front panel. We are going to be using this satin material. So I haven't done that, so I took it to the sewing machine. I joined the two sides together. As you can see, this is the cow shape talking about. Then this is the armhole I was talking about with elastic. You can see it with elastic. We have the cow shape here. Then like I told you before, I open up the front panel, okay? So because I'm going to be adding a pleat from the neck area all the way down to the end of the dress. So what you do to get, I've already cut out what I'm going to use, but I just want to explain how I got all this. You can see what is left now is for me to just attach it to it. Okay, so for you to get this, you need to measure the neck line or the neck area. You measure the neck area all the way down to get the length of this pleat that we're going to be using. So you just measure around the neck area like this. Take it like that, just do it like that, round. Measure it. That's how I did it. Just take it all the way down until you get to the end of the dress. Where you stop, you start all over again and begin to take the measurement all the way down. You take it down and you come back and you start from this place and take it down and add the measurement together. After adding the measurement together, you now add 10 extra centimeter to it so that it will be enough. It's better for you to remain than that it is not enough. Okay, so what I will be doing now, I will be after I did that, and I also iron a facing to it. As you can see the facing. So the length of the satin that I have was not enough, so I just used wisdom to add this material to it. So this fabric is going to be at the neck area. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and join it together. While I join it together, after joining it together like this, I will attach it to the from the neckline all the way down. So when I finish, I will come and I will show you the finished result. Okay, I hope you learned one or two things from this tutorial class. So I will see you when I'm done with the full dress. Okay, as I said before, that we are going to be fixing this lapel. No, I told you that we cut out another fabric, the satin fabric, that I'm going to be using to attach to the front panel. So actually is a lapel we are going to be putting there right from the neck. As you can see, I've already fixed the neck. And remember that I didn't tell you people how you can get this format. You understand? The format that you see that is closed like this. So I said, let me quickly just put that one into it to give you people the idea of how I got it. So like I told you, you measure out the neck area all the way down to the length of the dress. After measuring it, you put the pens. You can put 10 centimeter in addition to it, so that the lapel will be enough from the neck area down to the length of the dress. So how do you get these two lapel closed? What you do after cutting it out, ironing it out very well, you now open the middle, the center part of the lapel like this. Open it. That is the wrong side of it. Okay, after measuring out the neck area. So my neck area, like I told you before, was the neck area is 14, as you can see, 14, because it is a V-neck. You know, when I folded the fabric, measure at 7. So when you open it, it will be double. You understand? So 7 on this other side, 7 on this other side, all together make 14. Okay. So now you open it. You this 14 centimeter. You are going to leave it on. You are going to leave it open because of the neck. You understand? Then you start from that 14 centimeter. You open it up. Then you take the measurement of the midpoint of the lapel that you have already cut out, and we have 5 centimeters. So the half of 5 centimeters is 2.5. So you measure out 2.5 all the way down, 2.5 all the way down, 2.5 all the way down. Then you join them together. So this is where you will sew it. Now you now join them together. You sew it for the middle. I'm still going to join it together all to the point where you want the opening at the front of the dress. So I'm going to stop my sewing here. Okay, like you can see, I've already sewn from this way to this place. If you open it now, you see that it's already closed and this place is open. So I just stopped to let you people know what I'm doing so far. Then I'm going to continue again the sewing and stop it here and give it an opening at the down. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to do that now, and I will come and show you everything and how it look like. Okay, thank you so much. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and share with your families and friends, and hit the notification button to always be notified anytime I upload a new video. So so far that's the end of the tutorial. So I will be showing you the finishing work. God bless you. Bye.